Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about programming in Python subject. In this subject we'll learn details about Python programming. In unit 1 we'll learn about Python programming, understanding about Python programming, rules of Python in AI and data science, how to install Python software, and also we'll learn IDLE. It's a default graphical development environment for Python, and Python identifiers, reserved words, and we have to learn about single line and multi-line comments, input output functions in a Python. Okay, first we'll discuss about what is Python, who developed Python. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989, and one interesting fact about Python is that its name is not after Python snake. It's a name after comedy television show Monty Python Flying Circus in 1969, and that show is more like Guido van Rossum sir, so its name is after that show. And Python is a functional programming language, object oriented programming language, scripting language, modular programming language. Getting what is Python and who developed Python. Python is a fully functional object oriented programming language, scripting language, modular language, and it's developed by Guido van Rossum sir. Okay. Sorry. What are the features of Python? Python is a simple and easy to learn programming language. Okay. It's a freeware and open source. What is a freeware? You have not pay single pay amount to get a license to run our software, and open source you cannot change internal code, and it's a high level programming language, and its feature is a portability. Like we have to change mobile number without changing our number, we have to port our number. Same like we have to use Python programming language code in other programming language. It is an interpreted language. Other language first compile then run, but in Python we have directly execute the program, and compilation part is taken care by Python interpreter. It is extensible language. We can use other programming language, other program in Python language. We have some code in Java like 1 lakh lines of code. We can improve performance of the applications in Python programming. Embedded, we can use other programming code in Python programming. We can use Python programming in other programming language. Okay. Then large standard library, there are many libraries available in Python programming as compared to other programming language. And also one more feature is automatic memory management, means where no need to release the memory. Python supports automatic memory management, which means memory is cleared and freed automatically. Okay, it is a cross platform. Python is available and can run on various operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Unix. Okay, and this it makes it cross platform and portable language. Getting what are the features of Python? It is simple and easy to learn, freeware, open source, high level programming language, portability, extensible language, interpreted language, and embedded large standard libraries, automatic memory management, and cross platform. Okay, what we can do with the Python? We have to develop web application, standalone application, machine learning, game development, data analysis. We also perform in Python programming language with the help of Python. Game development also done in Python programming. Scripting also done in Python programming. We have to develop web application. Web framework like Django and Flask are the best on Python. They help you write a server-side code which help you manage database. Write backend programming language, logic, mapping URLs. Machine learning, there are many machine learning applications written in Python. Machine learning is a way to write a logic so that machine can learn and solve particular problem on its own. And we have to already using most of the you are using website like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay. Okay, means when we search a particular products, like when we search a band, watch, mobile and accessories, headphone, different products. So when we search a particular product, next time when we open this website Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, then we will get similar product notifications which we have previously searched. Face recognition, voice recognition in your phone is another example of machine learning. Data analysis and data visualization in form of charts can also be developed using Python. Scripting is writing small program to automatic simple tasks such as sending automated response emails. Such type of application can also be written in Python programming. You can develop games using Python. You can develop embedded applications in a Python. Desktop applications you can develop with the help of Python programming language like Thinker or Qt. Okay, these libraries we have to use. Getting all what are what can we do with the Python, what is Python, what are the features of Python. Okay, to write a Python programming and execute Python programming, we need to install a software. So for that we have to use your website www.python.org website. So you can directly search over the Google python.org, go to downloads. There are different Python software versions available as per your operating system requirement, Windows, Mac. Okay, so as per your operating system requirement you have to download the software. Now current version 3.11.4. okay, so you have to download this as per. If this support your system, then you can download this, or previous versions also available. See here, you have to click over the Windows and there are many softwares available. Okay, for Windows 32 bits, 64 bits, all the Python versions available, which version supported to your operating system, that you can download and install in your machine. Okay, getting which website we have to use, python.org, www.python.org, and then go to download menus. It will show different versions of Python. Getting which website we have to use. Okay, see. Now what is variable? How to declare variable? Variable means identifier. Variable name is known as identifier. Okay, there are some rules. Every programming language has its own rules. Python has same rules. Python programming language variable declaration rules. The name of the variable must always start with either letter or underscore. Getting it will start with letter or either underscore. For example, underscore str, underscore name, underscore num. Okay, a name of variable cannot start with the number. You cannot start 1 2 3 num. This is not a valid variable name. So name cannot be, variable name cannot start with a number. Name of variable cannot have special characters such as %, $, hash, etc. They can only have alphanumerical characters and underscore. A to Z is capital, A to Z is small, 0 to 9 or underscore. And variable name is Python is a case sensitive. Okay, so in your exam question like that, Python is case sensitive or not? Justify. So Python is a case sensitive. If you enter a small num and capital num, it will consider as a different variables in a Python. Getting what are the rules of variable declaration in Python. Name of the variable must always start with either letter or an underscore. Name of the variable cannot start with the number.